How to see tweets from private Twitter account without following. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, open your X application from your device. Then get logged into your X account. Now, if you would like to see some tweets of a private account, what you can do is you can tap on the search bar on your top bottom menu and search for their username. And on the top section, you will be able to see a couple tweets about what they are talking, even though you might not entirely see their Twitter post. Now, another way is you can simply come up with a false account and follow request them. Once you follow request them and if they accept you, you will be able to see all of their private tweets and the photos that they post on their account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.